I'm making kimchi gyoza today. Gyoza skin, the Chinese dumpling skin, minced pork, kimchi, homemade kimchi, salt and pepper, sesame oil and soy sauce. I have minced kimchi, so I'm going to mix them with minced pork. And I've made 38 gyoza Chinese dumplings. I have 150 ml of water with cornstarch, so I'm gonna pour this in. And put the lid on, and I'll cook this for about 4 minutes. This is what it looks like after 4 minutes. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. There you have it, gyoza.
Gyoza has a really nice kick to it from kimchi.